You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? So how do you pronounce these names? Well, no one actually knows for sure, but it is more likely, and the most popular pronunciation is Slimeto. Slimeto. Some pronounce it as Slimeto too, or Slime 2. Slimeto. How do you pronounce it? Let us know in the comments. And let's make a poll in the comments, like the pronunciation that you prefer. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.